Hey guys, this is going to be the shooting test on the Crossman c11. And this pistol you can get at Walmart for around 4 or 5 bucks. And it's alright. But the mag comes out right here, and co2 goes in right there. So we're going to be shooting this Puma box again, but I put some tape around it where you can't already see the holes. And I'll be using .3s. And you're shooting on my Xbox right now, and this round, I have barely any rounds in it. It's going to be pretty close range, not in my room. And, so we're just going to do a few shots. If you want another video on this, just request. This mag doesn't feed well. Okay, I guess we're out now. But as you can tell, we have made a few deadly shots, which would make a kill. And it's a pretty good grouping if you're really at me. I was just pulling the trigger. So, yes, that's shooting test on the Crossman c11.